In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product sidebar filter on your Shopify store. This is a really useful feature if you have multiple products or collections and you want your customers to quickly narrow down what they're looking for. A sidebar filter lets shoppers filter by things like price, size, color, or any other options you've set up, all from a clean panel on the side of the page. To get started, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, find and click on Online Store and then select Themes. This is where you manage how your store looks and behaves. On your current theme, click the option to edit the theme. This will open the online store editor, where you can see a live preview of your site and change different sections. At the top of the editor, you'll see a navigation menu that lets you switch between different page types. Click on that top navigation, then choose Collections from the drop-down and select the default collection. This will load a typical collection page, which is where your filters will appear. Once the collection page is visible in the editor, click directly on your product grid in the preview area. This is the section that displays all your products in that collection. When you click it, the settings for that product grid will appear in the left-hand panel. In the left panel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Filtering and Sorting. This is where you control how customers can refine and organize the products they see. Turn on both filtering and sorting by toggling each option on. Filtering lets customers narrow down products, and sorting lets them rearrange results, for example by price or newest items. Next, look for the setting that controls the filter layout. There will be a menu beside it. Click that menu, and from the drop-down options, choose Vertical. This vertical layout is what creates the sidebar style filter on the side of your collection page, instead of filters appearing above the products. As soon as you select vertical, check the preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see a sidebar filter appear, usually on the left side of your product grid. This gives you a live view of how it will look to your customers. When you are happy with how the filter appears, make sure to click Save in the editor. After saving, go to your actual online store. Open one of your collection pages and test the new sidebar filter. Try applying a few filters and using the sorting options to confirm that everything is working as expected.